Hi everyone and welcome. In this free course, you'll learn how to create graphs using my simple and free Python compiler, PyCom. With PyCom, you'll be able to easily translate your code into clear, informative graphs. Even if you have no prior experience with Python, you'll still be able to create the graphs you need. Let's get started. Go to my LinkedIn page. Scroll down until you find the Post section. Click on the Post button and select this post. To download the PyCom software, click this link. You'll need to register your information to get the download link. After submitting your details, you'll get access to the download here. You can simply click Download Raw File, or preferably right-click on Raw, select Save Link As to save it to your desired location on your PC. Now go back to my post, download the Python environment from the second link. Scroll down, click on the Windows installer, either 64-bit or 32-bit, depending on your PC system. Once downloaded, the software will come in a compressed format. Use any tool like WinRAR to extract it. Double-click on the PyCom file to begin installation. Choose your language, click. Next, accept the license agreement, complete the setup. After installation, go to your desktop and click the PyCom icon. You'll see two error messages. This is expected because the Python environment hasn't been installed yet. Now let's install Python. Double-click the installer. Check all boxes, choose Customize Installation. Again, check all available options, click Install. Once done, click Close. Go back to the PyCom icon on your desktop, open it. It should now work. Let's test this by assigning two constants, a equals 3 and b equals 2. Then define a variable ce equals a plus b. Finally, print the result of c. Here is the result.
Thanks for watching. Don't miss the next tutorial coming up soon.